Alright, you might have a smoke alarm that chirps every 1 minute. I've just spent a week changing new batteries, trying to work out why it still chirps. So this Legrand Smoke alarm has AC power connected to it, but you also have a 9-volt battery you'll need to replace once every 12 months. So that time came around, it was chirping every 1 minute. So I changed the new batteries, but it was still chirping away. So I worked out what you need to do is not just push the battery into its position, but you actually have to push it down and then slide into the connectors. So you'll see the pins connectors there, so you won't just push it in, you'll need to push it down and then slide it into the connectors from the back. The only way I work that out is by taking the whole unit down and working that out. I hope this helps some other people who are getting frustrated with a chirping smoke alarm.